Good morning, Nitin. Your
Good
interview
morning,
will
sir.
be your interview will be in Chennai or which place?
So my interview is in Bangalore,
Acha, which date is your interview?
February 7th, 11 a.m.
Where do you stay now? Do you normally reside in Karnataka?
No, sir, I reside in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu.
Acha, acha. Coimbatore, I think they have put it in because for some people they have put in Chennai. Good, very good. Nitin Praveen Raj, please tell us about yourself.
As you know, my full name is Nitin Praveen Raj, sir, and I am from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I did my Bachelor of Science in Mathematics with Computer Applications. I did my postgraduate diploma in Business Management, and I have recently completed my Master of Arts in Political Science. Coming to my work experience, I worked as Technical Support Associate at Cognizant Technology Solutions, where I had an opportunity to deal with clients. If they have any technical issues, we'll resolve through email, chat, and voice. Coming to my certifications, I did certification in investment banking operations, where I learned about financial instruments, financial markets, risk management, and asset management, and about securities and derivatives. And during my undergraduation, I did certification in banking, finance, and insurance, where I had an opportunity to learn about retail banking. And my short-term goal is to enter into a bank in a entry-level position, and my long-term goal is to reach the senior management position in a bank.
Mhm.
That's it about.
Good. Now, you studied political science.
Yes, sir.
What is political science?
So political science is a subject which deals with political ideology, and we also learn about international economy, and we study about international relations between the countries, and we also study about the Indian ideology and about the philosophers, Western philosophy.
Mhm. So, what is socialism?
So socialism is a political ideology which say that everything should be given by the public. Um, that means the government. Nothing should be privatized. Everything should be government, and everyone should have the equal property and equal assets, so that there will be equality among people. Sir. That's social.
Good. What is your father?
So my father is a retired superintendent of market company, agriculture department, Tamil Nadu.
Agriculture department.
Yes, sir. It's a market committee, sir.
Oh.
They used to do marketing for the agriculture products.
Mhm. Good. What is MSP in respect of agriculture?
Sir, I am not aware of. Sorry,
MSP. It's a very famous
sorry sir.
term. Minimum support price. Oh, you have not heard about it?
No, sir.
Oh. No problem. Now, which bank you are having account?
Sir, I have bank accounts in Kotak Mahindra Bank and SBI, sir. I had in Paytm Bank, but it got closed.
Acha, acha. What is the difference between having account in Paytm Bank and having account in State Bank of India?
Sir, in State Bank of India, I have savings account. The difference between the payment bank and the normal universal bank is payment bank is a niche bank where we'll be making only the payments. They'll be concentrating on some products, sir. And universal banking, they'll be having many products, sir. And SBI particularly, it is a public sector bank.
No, but you should also tell payment banks, they operate only online, not on brick and mortar office. Whereas
Okay, sir.
this is with that one. And this is a public sector. This is not a public sector. Something like that you can add.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Do you think that this job profile will suit you? And if so, why? How?
Yes, sir. It will suit me because I have a good interpersonal communication skills and I love to interact with people. And I'll be having an opportunity to solve their problems. And I have previous experience also solving technical issues. So this profile will be suited for me, sir.
So did you uh, go through the questions that have been asked in the recent interviews?
Yes, sir. I went through, sir.
Acha, 1 minute. 2023 Karnataka Bank. I should go for Karnataka Bank. Yeah, yeah. This is the thing. Correct. Now, about Karnataka Bank, what is the total business of the bank?
Sir, according to the quarter three, it is around 1,90,000 crores.
1.78 lakh crore.
Yes, sir.
100 lakh crore is the deposit. 78,000 is the advances. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Acha, you are in. This is your second mock or first mock?
This is my second mock, sir.
Acha, then I should ask something about budget also. Please tell me what is the change in definition of micro industries in latest budget.
In latest budget, they changed they revised the definition of MSME, sir. In that, micro is they should have the turnover around 10 crores and investment should be around 2.5 crores, sir.
Not should be less than.
Should be
It should be less than. Okay.
less than 2.5 crores.
Very good. That is correct. You told correctly. Now, what is the change in tax deducted at source for elderly citizens?
Sir, they
Hello.
changed from 50,000
For
to 1 lakh.
good, very good. What is the change in respect of TDS for rent on houses?
Sorry, sir.
It has been increased from 2.4 to 6 lakhs per annum. Up to 6
Okay,
lakhs per annum, if somebody is paying a rent, he need not deduct TDS. He will
okay,
be
sir.
liable for income tax, but then TDS will not be deducted.
Okay, sir.
So that means you don't know anything about agriculture.
Sir, no, sir. I'm not aware of it.
Budget, did you go through some of the points regarding agriculture? Please read it, page number 1, 2, 3, 4, and all that. You must go through and try to know more ideas about that.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay.
sir,
Hmm,
in Bihar, they promoted Makana, sir, in this
correct.
budget.
Makana. That is correct.
Yes, sir.
That is one good thing. Good. Hmm. Then they can ask you about studies, PM research fellowship, research development innovation. About that, what have you studied? You can tell me what are the steps taken for promoting exports. Maybe you don't remember Export Promotion Mission, Bharat Trade Net, National Framework for GCC, warehousing facilities for air cargo.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, like that. You must read something more and remember it.
Yeah, sure, sir. I'll go.
Yeah, in the case of indirect tax proposals, they have removed 7 tariff rates. Okay, something like that. It is given in page number 8.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please go through. Up to what amount is exempted from income tax? Income up to this much amount
Sir,
is not at all subject to tax. Not the not the rebate, basic slab.
it is 12 lakhs per annum, sir.
Now that is
And it is
exemption.
subject to,
That is rebate given, but the basic rate is 4 lakhs. Up to 4 lakhs only, no income tax. Beyond 4
yes,
to 8, it is 5%. 8 to
Yes, sir.
12, it is 10%. So at 12,000, the person will have to pay income tax of 60,000. So this 60,000 they are giving as rebate for people whose income is less than 12 lakh per annum, including standard deduction 75,000. 12 lakh 75,000. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
So I am not going further deep into budget, but your preparation regarding budget, you have to read something more. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now I will ask only questions they have asked um, yesterday, today in our this thing. Please tell me what is NPA?
Sir, NPA is the non-performing asset, sir. It is they will be categorizing the customers if they didn't pay the loan for around to 90 days, sir. And
Good,
they categorize into three,
good,
sir.
good. This
Substandard.
is sufficient, but you study more about it. Okay. This is
Okay,
sufficient for me. I don't know how much they expect, but still you prepare about it. Next, tell me about Ombudsman Bank.
sir. Ombudsman Bank is initiated by Reserve Bank of India, sir. Its main target is to uh, resolve the customer issues between the banks, sir. They at present they have resolved around 95 percentage of the customer queries.
Hmm. You know, what is the maximum compensation they give? You must study about it because they have asked today one question for a candidate. Define banking ombudsman. So you should know its head office is in Chandigarh. The complaint has to be made by us to the Chandigarh office. The complaint is to be made by people who are giving a written request to bank to solve their problem within 30 days. If in spite of 30 days it is not solved, then it can be referred to banking ombudsman. Banking ombudsman will forward the complaint to the bank and then get the complaint redressed. The maximum damages they will allow is 2 lakhs and for mental agony 1 lakh.
Okay, sir.
You must read something more about it. Okay,
Yes, sir. Sir.
good. Please tell me what is SEBI?
Sir, SEBI is the regulatory body for the securities and commodity markets in India, sir. Now the chairman is Mada Mari Puch, madam. She is the first woman to become the chairman of the SEBI. SEBI looks on to the protection of the investors, and they also look on to the transparency. They also regulate the market.
Now, what is the expansion of CII? It
Sir,
is
CII
it is an
cost to index.
association. It is an association. What is CII? Cost of living index. That is not that. That is CPI. What I am asking is CII, Confederation of, what is the full expansion?
Sorry, sir, I am unable to keep up.
They have asked today, Confederation of Indian Industry. President's name is Sanjeev Puri. What is the purpose of Confederation of Indian Industry? It works to create and sustain an environment conducive to the development of India, partnering industry, government, and civil society through advisory and consultative processes. I am
Okay, sir.
giving this information in the WhatsApp group of ours. This is a, I
Sure, sir.
will, normally I have never asked this question, but I am asking first time because they have asked today in Delhi or some other place.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. I'll go through.
Yeah, 1 minute. Hold on. Good. Next question for you. Everything what they have asked only I am asking. Define credit risk and market risk.
the credit risk is the risk which the customer doesn't pay the loan.
Hmm.
That is credit risk, and the market risk is if market may go up and down. So that is the risk.
Market in the
Um,
case of banks, market risk means in the case of banks, it is the number of customers coming, number of amounts coming into our bank, paying, going out of our bank due to market reasons.
okay,
And also the interest rate rise and low. It may help the
okay,
bank, it may not help the bank.
okay, sir.
Good. That is, you told correctly. For your political science, you have told nicely. But basic degree is commerce, na?
Mathematics, sir.
Mathematics. Okay. For that
And
you
I
are
have done
doing.
business management.
For that you are doing very well. Very good. In which year? This question I don't know how to answer. In which year was Karnataka Bank's third branch opened? What is this question? If they ask like this, how can we answer this? They have asked, Baba.
Okay, sir.
I think it must be 1924.
Okay,
1924, they opened the first bank. So the third branch also must be at that time only. So I don't know how to manage this. Hmm. So please check up what you can tell. Here, there is one site known as wikivand.com. There it is telling Karnataka Bank Limited is an Indian private sector bank based in Mangalore. It is an A class scheduled commercial bank with a network of 915 branches, 1,188 ATMs and cash receivers, 588 e-lobbies, mini e-lobbies across 22 states and 2 union territories. It has 8,652 employees and over 11 million customers throughout the country. Like
yes, sir.
that only it is going. So I think the answer you can tell 1924 itself directly.
Okay, sir.
Good. That is right. Now, 1 minute. What? Hmm. This again is a very tough question. How are you going to? I think probably because that was agriculture candidate they have asked. I am not asking that. I am asking another one. What is the time limit for generating a debit card PIN? I have not heard this question before. First time I am hearing it.
I don't know exactly.
I also don't know how to
I
generate
think so. It's
ATM.
very.
Huh?
I think so. It's
Yeah.
very from bank to bank.
Uh, no, no. Actually, setting up of a PIN, what they do, they send the debit card, and they also here there is one Axis Bank material. It is given debit card PIN generation. The
Okay, sir.
process of debit card PIN generation using ATM machine, using net banking, using phone banking, how to generate ATM PIN, that and all is okay. But I have never come across what is the time limit. Within that, you can do it. For example, 15 days, 20 days. I have not heard about it. Please ask your bank, nearby bank, or you ask from our Karnataka Bank nearby branch if anything is there. Or I think, shall we
Okay.
ask in Karnataka Bank? What is that? Hmm, that the chat bot. Let us
Yes, yes.
just a minute. I will check up. If it is coming, there is nothing like that. Oh, yeah. Account services. See what are the things. Account services, investments, loans, cards, NRI banking, digital banking, self services, contactless, online account opening, WhatsApp banking, self services, account services, savings account. I am asking it. What is the time
Okay, sir.
limit for creation of a debit card PIN? And Chat GPT is trying to find out, but this question will not be there in the data given to it.
Yes, sir.
I don't think it will come. Huh? What about processing charges, upgrade debit card? Here, what they are telling. What is the time limit? I asked. I am still learning. Did you mean any of the following? What is KBL contract, Mitra, service charges? Yeah. So it has told it cannot answer this question. No problem. Doesn't matter. It is not able to answer.
Okay.
Yeah, because it will answer only what it has been told to it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, can you tell me? I will ask you 3 or 4 people. Who is the chairman of UPSC now? You don't know. Doesn't matter. Who is the chairman of ISRO? ISRO. V. Narayanan.
Please, okay.
V. Narayanan. Okay. Who is the foreign secretary? Vinay Mohan Quatra. You can see all this in the link I have given you. Who is who? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please go through that. Best wishes.
Sure.
God bless you.
Thank
Attend the interview. Send the questions